The block-paved driveway has settled, leaving visible wheel ruts. We see the defect. Let's find the cause. Next, we'll open the trial pit and see what lies beneath the paving. The trial pit exposed 50 mm concrete pavers, 60 mm of sand bedding, 100 mm of construction rubble mixed with clay, and 140 mm of clayey soil. Beneath it all was undisturbed clay subgrade. There was no proper load-bearing aggregate base. Construction rubble and clay form a non-uniform, moisture and frost-sensitive foundation that deforms under vehicle loads. Settlement and rutting were inevitable. On clay subgrade, even a bare minimum driveway built up needs at least 120 mm of compacted crushed aggregate over at least 100 mm of frost-resistant sand, gravel, or crushed aggregate. The bedding course made from suitable sand or crushed aggregate fines should not exceed 35 mm. These figures should be treated as a lower limit, not as a preferred design. Weak ground, poor drainage, severe frost exposure, heavier transport may require substantially thicker layers. To repair the driveway, the paving must be lifted, then suitable layers must be removed, and the foundation must be rebuilt with proper compaction and drainage. Undamaged pavers can be reused.